Hi guys. All right, so we are back for my 2 Ipsy boxes that went to my dad's house while I was moving. So like I said in my Ipsy video for that bag that I had also had to wait on, I will not be doing swatches of anything in these because these are super late getting to me, which is fine because they still got to me. But if you guys want to see swatches of anything, whether it be the previous video of the Ipsy stuff or anything from here, let me know and I will combine everything and do swatches of everything. So I have my daughter on this off to the side here. And one of these boxes is like, let's see, July? Yeah, one of these is July, so last month. And then one of these is June. So, let me see. I think this one is last month. Okay. Here, we're gonna do it this way. Okay, so I'm gonna do June's box first, just to quickly show you guys what I got. All right, so the Baddington lashes, which is a cute box. I don't wear lashes all the time, but I'm always willing to give them a shot. They look nice. Actually, they look very nice. All right, and then next, I got the Luxley brushes. There's a tapered highlighter, a precision foundation, and one that's hiding. Let's see. So I actually really like these brushes. Okay, and the 6th brush is a duo fiber powder. So I actually really like these brushes. They're super soft and they're really nice, as you can see. So I look forward to trying these out and using them. And then next, Jaunt Bleu. I butcher names like crazy. But this is in dark brown, it's an eyeliner pencil. Now, I am a black eyeliner girl, so I'm not sure how I feel about this. I may swatch it and see, but I am a black eyeliner girl or a colored eyeliner girl, so yeah. And I believe this is the last product from this box.
No.
No. All right, so next we have the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. We all know about this, I'm sure. And I will just show you this real fast. Oh, okay. I have tried this, and I love it. And last is Alamar Cosmetics. Oh, I probably butchered that. And this is the palette for that month. Oh, no. Another way. So if you want me to swatch this palette, please let me know, and I will do so in a combined video of just swatching and stuff. So first impressions type of video. But it's a gorgeous palette. I love it. Okay, so that's going to wrap up the June box. So that was my variation. And now we will get into the July box once my daughter does what she's doing. Okay. Here, just hold it. Okay. So, this is the Note Compact Blusher in Desert Rose. I haven't even opened this yet. Here, hold those. My daughter is like supposed to be helping me. She's like playing around with stuff instead.
I'm trying to put this all away.
All right, let me see if I can open this bad boy. There we go. So I don't usually wear blush, but this isn't really too bad. It looks nice. As you could say. Nice color. Maybe I'll try it out. we shall see. Not the thing I was like super excited about for this variation. And this is the Wonder Beauty Unleashed Volume and Curl Mascara. Wow, camera. So I did try this out this morning. And it is nice. And it parted my lashes nicely. But I wouldn't call it one of my favorites. But I'll use it. I mean, it's good. And then this is the Dr. Brandt No More Needles No More Baggage. My voice is so shot. It's a ID puffing gel. I love this kind of stuff. So I did use this morning. And so far I like it a lot. And then next we have this Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. So it comes with a brush, a brow brush. Oh my God. Why? There it is. So, I mean, the brow brush is nice. It's soft. It's angled nicely. And then the bottom part. Okay. Let me see if I can really get in there. Okay. As you can see, that's where you dip in. I have not tried this yet. I'm kind of scared. But the thing is, though, is I have, from Influencer, I have a Benefits eyebrow brush thing coming too. This is, no, it's the new one that I need to try out too. So I might do a comparison between that and this, because why not? So yeah, we'll see. Okay, then we have the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in Verona. I could totally hold it the right way. My camera could focus. There it goes. So when I saw this, I was kind of like, oh my God, it's another neutral. I am one of those people where I like neutrals, but I like some color too, even though I'm pretty dark when it comes to like my everything. But I do like color every now and then. So when I saw this, I was like, my God, I have this color probably like over and over and over, just from Boxycharm. But I went ahead and I swatched it last night, and to my surprise, I ended up loving it. So I decided to wear it today. That is what I'm wearing here, is actually this.
Look pretty in it.
I love this. So I totally recommend it. This is awesome. This has been on my lips for hours now. And the last part of my variation was a crown palette. So I did not get the Tarte spray. I ended up with a crown palette. I wasn't sure how I really felt about that until I saw the palette. I had seen it online. And I was kind of like, eh. But seen in person, honestly, it's a beautiful palette. And as with anything else, if you want to see this baby swatched, you just tell me and I will get on it. I'm actually quite happy with this because I know the palette for this month is the Laura Lee Party Animal palette, which is super bright. So I was actually kind of excited to get, you know, a combination of neutrals, and this month will be the party palette. So I was actually very, very happy with this. Have not swatched it, have not touched it. If you want to see that, comment below, let me know. So that will do it for the Boxycharm boxes that I was super delayed on. That's why you hadn't seen unboxings of them. I will have another unboxing for both Ipsy and for Boxycharm this month. As soon as they come in, I will get right on it, make the videos. My Ipsy has not been shipped yet, and I don't believe my Boxycharm has yet either. Haven't checked on that. Probably should do that. So you guys will be getting 2 more videos on that kind of stuff. So I think that's going to do it. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys, love you.